Hi students, today I am going to explain you exercise class 7 exercise 3, that is decimals. First of all, you have to know, everyone know about decimal. Suppose there is 27.36, exercise 3 decimals, 27.36. Everyone know this is the decimal. সবে জানা ডেসিমেল কি দেন সি এতিয়া ইয়াত আমি জানিব লাগিব ইয়াত কেইটামান বস্তু আছে এই ডেসিমেলৰ আগত থাকাটো ইয়াত দুটা পাৰ্ট আছে এটা পাৰ্ট হ'ল ফাৰ্স্ট পাৰ্ট ফাৰ্স্ট পাৰ্ট বিফোৰ ডেসিমেল দিস ওয়ান ইজ কল্ড what whole number part and this portion is called decimal part. Okay, this portion is called decimal part and this portion is called whole number part. Now you have to know about like decimal and unlike decimal. Like decimal means here after decimal there is two numbers is here, two digits is here. Then if you are getting any numbers where after decimal, suppose 2 7, here is also after decimal how many digits are there? 2 digits. Yeah, to two digits after decimal, yeah, to two. That means these two are like decimals. Okay. Now see, you have to do add, subtract. How will you add, subtract decimal number? You have to know the concept about this thing. Then only we can able to solve all this problem. Suppose for adding, suppose now we are going to add 2.367 plus 28.75. Okay, if you are doing like this way, 28.75, then other one is 2.367. That means your calculation will be wrong. Why? Because for add or subtract, decimal should be in a line. Then how will you write it? 28.75. Then in this number, where is decimal? Put decimal up. Decimal should be in a line. That means decimal should be here. And before decimal here is 2. Then before decimal put 2. After decimal there is 367. Then if you have to add it, then add it. Then here nothing is there, that means 1 0 is there. If there is nothing, you can think there is a 1. Okay, then add it. 0 plus 7 7, 5 plus 6 11, 11 1, then 1 left. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, then again 1 left. Here down of decimal you have to put the decimal. Then 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11, then again 1 is left. 1 plus 2 is equal 3. That means our answer will be 31.117. Okay, like this way, just you have to add or subtract in exercise 3a. Their first question is you have to add. There is three numbers you have to add. What are the numbers? See, one number is 6.75. Question number 1. 6.75. Then and one is 4.3, and another one is 2.913. Then how will we add it? 6.75. Then before adding this number, just you put point. Before point there is 4, then put 4. After point there is 3. Here nothing is there, that means 1 0 is there. After decimal, suppose one number is 2.36, then no more. Then here how many 0 you want, you can add. After decimal, value of 0 is valueless. That's why how many 0 you want, you can take. Then another one is, here also put point, before point there is 2, put 2, then after point 9, 1, 3. In this line there is nothing, here also put 1, 0, here also you can put 1, 0. Then you have to add it. 0 plus 3 is equal 3, then 5 plus 0 is 5, then plus 1 is equal 6, then 7 plus 3 is equal 10, 10 plus 9 is equal 19, then put point, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. This is your answer. Like this way you have to do question number 1. Then I think everyone can do. Then see question number 2, how to subtract. Subtract. Okay, like this way you can do subtract also. Question number 1, 6.473, 6.473, 6.473 from 17.589, 17.589. Now see, you have to subtract this one from this one. That means 17.589, here point is there. Then here put point, first you have to put the point, then point. Then before point there is 6, put 6. After point there is 473. Then just subtract it. 9 minus 3 is equal 6. Then 8 minus 7 is equal 1. 5 minus 4 is equal 1. Then put point. 7 minus 6 is equal 1. Then this 1 will come. Then this is your answer. Like this way you have to subtract. I think everyone can do. Then see question number 3. Question number 3. First one is simplify 4.105 plus 2.37 minus 5.2. That means first you have to do for this add. Add it somewhere. Suppose 4.105 plus point, then before point 237, here nothing is there, put 0, then 50707, then 3 plus 1 4, then point is there, put point, 4 plus 2 6. If we add these two, then we will got what? This one is equal 6.475, then minus 5.2, then put point, before point there is 5, then after point there is 0, here nothing is there, you can put 0, then subtract it. 5 minus 0 is equal 5, 7 minus 0 is equal 7, 4 minus 2 is equal 2, then put point here, 6 minus 5 is equal 1. This is your answer, 1.275. Like this way you have to do simplify. Then see, next there is multiple choice question. Then one more, question number 4. Subtract the difference of 875 and 53.9. Subtract the difference of this one and this one. That means which one is greater, this one is greater. From this one, first you have to subtract this one, 53 point, okay, rest part. Then from the sum of this one and this one, মানে কি ফার্স্ট আমি এ দুটা প্লাস কৰিম, তাৰপিছত এ দুটা কি কৰিম, সাবট্ৰেক্ট দ্য ডিফাৰেন্স অফ ইহঁতৰ ডিফাৰেন্সটো যিটো ওলাই তাত এ দুটা আমি চাই যোৱা ভালকে, কোৱেশ্যনটো অলপ ডাঙৰ হ'ব। First you have to do the sum. 29.358 here from the sum of this one. From, suppose if there is 3 from 9, that means we have to write first 9 minus 3. We are also doing same like this way. First we are going to add this then 2.3023. Okay. Now see, edit 29.358, then put point here 2.3023, nothing is there, put 1 0, then 3 in plus 0 is equal 3, then 8 minus 2 is equal 10, then 1 is left, 5 plus 1 becomes 6, 3 plus 3 6, put point here, 9 plus 2 12, 9 plus 2 11, here no more left, 11, then 1 is left, 2 plus 1 3 is equal 31.6603. From the sum of this one, you have to subtract the difference of 53. Since 53 is greater, that's why I am writing 53 first. 53.9 minus 43.875. Then here you put one bracket. This portion is already over. Then here minus sign is there. This minus sign. That's why I put here minus sign. Then subtract it. 53.9 minus, put here point 3 4, then 8 7 5. Then here nothing is there. Put 0 and 0. Then if you subtract, then from here you can take 5 from 0. Then take 1 here. If you take 1 here, then it will become 10. Then from here again we are taking 1 to here. It will become 10, and here line is left. Then 10 minus 5 is equal 5. Then here 9 is there. 9 minus 7 is equal 2. Then here already we take 1. That means here 8 is left. 8 minus 8 is equal 0. Then put point. 3 minus 3 is equal 0. Then 4 minus 1 is equal 1. That means it's equal 10.025. Then you have to subtract from 31.6603 minus what? 10 point. Then before point there is 0, put this 0. Then before that 1 is there, put 1. Then after point there is 0, put 0. Then 2 5, here nothing is there, put 1 0. Then subtract it. If you subtract this one, 3 minus 0 is equal 3. Then here nothing is left. That means you have to take, here 0 is there, take 1. Then it will become 10. 10 minus 5 is equal 5. Then here 5 is left. Already we take 1. 5 is left. 5 minus 2 is equal 3. Then here 6 minus 0 is equal 6. Point. Here 1 minus 0 is equal 1. Then 3 minus 1 is equal 2. Is equal how much? 21.6353. Okay, like this way you can do multiple choice question also. Then see one more question. Today I will finish this exercise 3.38. Then see one multiple. This one you will do. Just I will explain. Question number 8. Question number 8. The figure. Here one figure is given like this. The figure of a wooden frame is given with a picture inside. Suppose আমি সবে কি দেখো ফটো সবরে ঘরে ঘরে আছে এই ফটোত কি থাকে এটা ফ্রেম থাকে okay this is the picture and this is the wooden frame okay here measure is given this one is equal 18.5 then this one is given 12.8 and from here to here, this one is given 1.2. All these are in centimeter. See, now we have to and perimeter. We have to find what length and width of the picture and hence perimeter of the picture. See, since this is in the form of a rectangle, therefore, if this one is equal 18.5, this one is also equal 18.5, and this one 12.8, that means this one is also equal 12.8. That means this one 12.8 length from here to here. Then 18.5 from here to here. Okay? Then from here to here, see here, make one line like this way. Then from here to here, this one is 1.2. Okay. Then from here to here also, this one is 1.2. Okay. Then this one is also width of every side is equal 1.2 centimeter. This one is also 1.2 centimeter. Then now we have to find what perimeter of the picture. We have to find length this one, length of picture, that means this portion, and breadth of picture means this portion we have to find. Now see, length of picture, comma L, suppose we are taking as L, 18.5. Since from here to here distance is 18, then you have to subtract this 1.2 and this side also 1.2, minus 1.2 minus 1.2. Everyone understand? Understand, I think? Etu kiman ase? Etu ase yar pora yale length to 1.2. From here to here length is 1.2, and length of this one is also 1.2. Then from here to here, suppose there is a line. This line is equal 10 centimeter. If from here to here this one is 2 centimeter, and from here to here this one is 2 centimeter, then what is the length of this portion? Length of this whole is how much? 10 centimeter. Then length from here to here, suppose this one is A and this one is B. Length of AB is equal 10 centimeter. Try to understand it. Length of AB from here to here distance is 10 centimeter. Then from, suppose this one is C and this one is D. Length of A to C, length of A to C is 2 centimeter. Then D to B is also equal 2 centimeter. Then what is the length of CD? Length of CD will be 10, this 10 minus this 2 minus this 2. Okay, like this way I am doing. Is equal. First this one is also having minus sign. This one is also having minus sign. Then write this one 18.5 minus 1.2 and 1.2 became 2.4. Then is equal 18.5 minus 2.4 is equal 5 minus 4 is equal 1. Then 8 minus 2 is here put point. 8 minus 2 is equal 6. Then here 1. Okay. Then here how much we will go? 16.1. Okay. Then breadth of picture, comma B. Breadth from here to here. This one is the breadth of picture, and this one is the breadth of frame. Breadth of frame is equal how much? 12.8. Then here also we have to, from here to here you have to subtract what? This portion we need to, a portion to amak nalage, mane a portion to kiman ase 1.2 ase, yar pora yaloke ekhiniu nalage, and we did not want this one also. This one is also equal to 1.2 centimeter. Then subtract it. Minus 1.2 minus 1.2 is equal 12.8 minus 2.4. 1.2 and 1.2 became 2.4 is equal 12.8 minus, put point here, 2, 4. Then 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is equal 4. Then here put point. 2 minus 2 is equal 0. Then here 1 is equal 10.4. Okay, this one is also in centimeter and this one is also in centimeter. Then after we have to find the perimeter. Then you have to know the formula for finding perimeter. What is the perimeter of rectangle? In previous class you got, I think, perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter, we need perimeter of this picture. Perimeter of this picture. That means this is also in a form of rectangle. Then perimeter of rectangle we know is equal how much? 2 whole into L plus B is equal 2 whole into L. L is equal how much? 16.1. Then plus B is equal how much? 10.4. Then is equal 2 into edit 16.1 plus 10.4. Here I am writing this decimal in a row, in a line. Remember it. Don't forget this thing. Then 1 plus 4 is equal 5. Then put point. Then here 6. Then here 2. This one is equal how much? 26.5. If you multiply, see, in next lesson we will discuss about multiplication. In next video I will give this one. Then how to do multiply? Just multiply it. Leave about this point. এই পইণ্টটোৰ কথা পাহৰি যোৱা, এই পইণ্টটো নাই, আমি কি কৰিম 265 multiplied by 2. Just আমি 265 ৰ লগত multiply কৰিম. Then we will got how much? 52, 55, 30. But here before how many digit there is decimal? Before 1 point. Then here point, after point 0 is valueless. That means our answer is equal, perimeter is equal, since all these are in centimeter, this one is also in centimeter, 53 centimeter. I hope everyone understand. Jodi video to sai kiba alop bujibo parisa tenehole like comment aru jodi kunubai channel to notun goi ahisa subscribe koriba aru logote kakot thaka ghonta button to dabai diba jate mur jabo next video bila পাই থাকা আৰু তোমালোকৰ যাতে কিবা এটা সুবিধা হয় আৰু কিবা প্ৰবলেম পালে কমেন্ট কৰিবা। থ্যাংক ইউ।